Hi, welcome to RKversity online lectures. This course, titled HR Data Analysis using Microsoft Excel, is a comprehensive course, consists 13 sessions. The course commences with designing a research objectives, then framing a research questions, then designing a research questionnaire or instrument, then collection of a data using a questionnaire, then how to create a database in Microsoft Excel, then creating a tabulations like frequency distribution tables as well as a cross tabulations, then drawing a charts using Microsoft Excel pivot chart options. After that, the course also covers two hypothesis testing methods. One is a chi-square test and second one is a rank correlation. And finally, it will be advising you how to write a report at each and every session. For the purpose of this course, we choose an IT company as a case study. This company conducted a training program, it is a skill development training program, to its employees some 6 months back. Now, the training head wants to reconduct the training program for other employees in the organization. Before going for reconducting of a training program, he would like to know whether the performance of a previous training is to the satisfactory levels of the employees or not. He called his HR team members and asked them to conduct a study among the participants and give a report. Based on the report, he will make a decision whether to continue the course with the same as like a previous module, or will make any changes according to the requirement of the participants. Now I will explain you the initial spade work done by the HR team. The first few questions that the HR team faced is, one is the designing of a questionnaire. Second one is how to administer the questionnaire. So based on the previous experience and based on different sources, they designed this training evaluation form where they use the data related to the participants, that is their demographic information like a gender, education, age group and experience. And related to training evaluation, they phrased these questions, that is the content of the course, then trainer's ability, pace of a training session, then training suitability. And to assess the evaluation, training score as well as the performance appraisal score. And there are other questions related to identification of the employees which we deleted here. Next question is how to administer this questionnaire, whether through go for online or through a print. Now one of the senior executives in the HR team said that it is better to go for a print form because it is easy to administer, because all the employees are in-house only. So you can go and distribute the questionnaire and collect the data. That is one. And the response rate will be very high. And the third one is it takes less time. On the other hand, someone suggested why don't we go for an online application form like using a Google form or any online forms. But the problem that online form they encounter is, one is it takes a lot of time and response rate will be low. With these two questions, one of the HR executive approached a few members who participated and sought their opinion, which one would be the better. Most of the employees preferred print form only because it is very convenient for them to fill the form instantly and give the responses instantly. Based on the feedback from the employees, they administered this questionnaire in a print form and collected the data. So here is how the data forms are filled by each employee. Different employees use different methods to select the data, that is to give the responses. So here somebody made it right tick marks, somebody circled it, and they wrote their scores in the numerics. So this is how they collected the data from all the respondents. And once the data collection is completed, the next step is to create a database. The HR team want to create this database in a Microsoft Excel. So in my next lecture, I'll explain you how to create a database in a Microsoft Excel using the same questionnaire or a training evaluation form. Thank you. Keep watching.